Now see the question number first, exercise 7.3, question number first. Triangle ABC, it is given. AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to DC. Means triangle ABC and triangle DBC both are the isosceles triangle. BC base is common for both the triangles. P is any point on BC. We have to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, ABP congruent to ACP, AP bisect angle A and D, AP bisect side BC. It is perpendicular bisector, means it is perpendicular and also divide into two equal parts. All these things we have to show here. Firstly, we consider the first pair. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, find out three equal parts. AB is equals to AC, it is given. Also BD is equals to DC, it is also given. These two sides of the triangle are equal, AB and AC, BD and DC, and AD is the common side for both the triangles. AD is equals to AD, common side, and therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and the criteria is SSS. By SSS criteria the triangles are congruent. Now here, if the triangles are congruent, in CPCT we can consider these two angles are equal. Now triangle ABD and triangle ACD both are congruent triangles. Here see the equal parts, CPCT. In CPCT we write both the angles are equal. Angle BAD is equals to angle CAD in CPCT. Now these two angles are equal. These two angles means AD is bisector of angle A. AD is bisector of angle A, but AD is extended up to point P. AD segment and AP segment, these are overlapping, means we can say that AP is bisector of angle A. AP is bisector of angle A. Give equation number 1. आगे आपको यूज करना है, that's why give equation number 1. Now see the second triangle. Second pair is ABP and ACP. Triangle ABP, ABP and ACP. In these two triangles, AB is equals to AC. This angle is equals to this angle, BAD and CAD. We can extend up to P, means BAP and CAP. AP is the common side, means both the triangles are congruent by SAS. Two sides and included angles. Write down. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, AB is equals to AC, angle BAD is equals to angle CAD, angle BAD means angle BAP is equals to angle CAP, and AP is the common side for both the triangles. It is given, this one given, and it is as per equation 1 या first proof. As per the first proof में CPCT में हमने ये दो angles equal लिए. Now the triangles are, three parts are equal, means triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Both the triangles are congruent, and if the triangles are congruent in CPCT we can write BP is equals to CP. Here criteria is SAS, it is CPCT. Now BP is equals to CP. These two parts are equal. Now the third part is AP is the bisector of angle A and D, which we have to show here. A का bisector है, ये show कर दिया. अभी आपको D का bisector show करना है. That's why consider here triangle BDP and triangle CDP. In triangle BDP and triangle CDP, check the equal parts. BD is equals to CD, which is already given in एग्जाम्पल BP इज इक्वल्स टू CP, अभी आपने प्रूव किया, एंड DP इज इक्वल्स टू DP विच इज़ द कॉमन साइड, एंड बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ट्रायंगल BDP is congruent to triangle CDP. The criteria is SSS criteria. Triangles are congruent, and if the triangles are congruent in CPCT, these two triangles are congruent in CPCT, we can say that these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. Angle BDP is equals to angle CDP. Angle BPD is equals to angle CPD. Now these two angles are equal, give equation 2. BDP is equals to CDP means AP bisect angle D. AP bisect angle D. Both the angles are equal, and that's why AP bisect angle D. Again BP is equals to CP means AP bisect BC. AP bisect BC. Again these two angles are equal, BPD and CPD, both the angles are equal and both are in linear pair means both the angles are of 90 degree. दोनों equal है means x x दोनों के linear pair angles की sum 180 आती है, दोनों equal है means दोनों की sum 90 90 आएगी. Also angle BPD and angle CPD are in linear pair and equal also, and therefore angle BPD is equals to angle CPD is equals to 90 degree. Both the angles of 90 degree means we can say that AP is perpendicular bisector on BC, because here we show that AP is equals to CP, both are equal. Sorry, here AP bisect angle D, AP is bisect BC. AP bisect कर रही है BC को, और ये जो एंगल्स है ये 90 डिग्री के लिए मीन्स वी कैन से दैट इट इज बाइसेक्टर, इट इज परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स इट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर.